Welcome to Tipperary Education and Training Board FET Army Barracks campus in Clonmel. In this short video, you'll get a glimpse of the wide range of full-time and part-time certified and non-certified courses and programs that are on offer here. We'll hear from our passionate and dedicated learners, our friendly and experienced staff, and we'll look at some of the resources that are available here on campus. With our extensive array of courses, ranging from QQI Level 1 to 6, there's something here for everyone. Come with us as we take a walk around and see some of the modern education and training facilities that are housed here, in the historical setting of Clonmel's Army Barracks. Our fully furnished hair salon gives learners a realistic and relaxed work environment.
We offer Level 3 and Level 5 courses, barbering, theory and practice, science, health and safety, communications, work experience. At present, the girls are just completing their theory and practice on science.
Here we can see the busy and well-equipped artist studios that house our Level 5 and Level 6 art courses.
We've all come from different backgrounds, different levels of experience, different interests, and there's painting, drawing, ceramics, sculpture, printing and exhibition techniques.
Level 5 Beauty Therapy is a very popular course here at the FET Army Barracks.
We're doing manicure, pedicure, waxing, skin, eye treatment, makeup, body massage, and that includes also anatomy and physiology.
The part-time Level 5 healthcare courses are run over 2 mornings and 2 evenings per week.
So I'm doing the care skills and work experience course here in the barracks. So we learn a lot about, say, interpersonal skills, our own audit skills, a lot about caring for the people in the care environment, and also the work placement. We would adapt those skills.
Seen here are some of our international learners who are engaging in our introductory English language course.
I'm from Ukraine. I am studying English language.
Non-accredited courses in health and fitness are offered in our bright and spacious gym. Learners gain hands-on experience in our Level 5 Full Award Animal Care course.
Animal care, we offer 4 modules. It's part-time. The modules that we offer would be animal grooming, animal welfare, veterinary assisting skills and work experience.
Our popular horticulture course carries a beginner gardening Level 2 award.
And we have done everything from planting seeds, encouraging biodiversity, attracting beneficial insects. We've planted some vegetables. We're having a little shot at an ornamental flower bed, how to do a little bit of landscape design. We're going to learn about pest and disease and the certain conditions that plants need to grow.
We offer part-time certified and non-certified woodwork and home repairs and maintenance classes.
We have a group maybe of about 10 or 12 in at any time. We'd follow a curriculum which would involve making various joints in woodwork, and then that would lead on to students coming up with ideas for their own project, maybe make a couple of projects, and that would all take place within the space of 14 weeks.
We hope you enjoyed our short walk around and our glimpse at just a small sample of some of the courses that are offered here at the FET Army Barracks campus in Clonmel. To browse our full selection of courses or to find out more information about programming schedules, course levels and application and entry details, call in to see us or contact us using the information on screen. We hope to see you soon.